What's up, guys? It's Quentin here. So we are back from more Roblox. We are in JAILBREAK. So we are here. So this is pretty cool. Got a big dog like that. Ow! Yeah, kill a log. Isn't it like a guy? I don't remember what that is. So I don't know. I'm gonna attempt to escape if I could. Oh, let's play the handcuffs. I'm sorry, dude. Bam, kill Jade. Gotta kill Jade. Jade or whatever. Let's see. Okay, kill a log. Kill a log. Oh yeah, right, kill a log. Isn't it the bad guy from Batman? Or DC, like Superman? I really don't know. So we might escape. We can. There's no campers. Oh god. No! If we don't escape, I'm freaking rage. I'm a rage. Okay. Well, I would never thought if we would escape. Oh. Alright, bud. Gonna go in our car. So, you know. Keep going. Oh. We didn't get arrested. That's nice. We could go to the shooting range, maybe. Shooting range. That's cool. Because this is like a really good gun. I'll show you, like, look. It didn't do much damage, but I don't know. I think the other one, this is like an AK-47, but it's like a different machine gun, I think. I have it with SWAT. So I mean, I didn't get a key card, but I at least have a really good gun. So we're gonna get a Lambo. We're gonna go to the criminal base. And go. Oh, sure. That was supposed to be a robbery, okay. Apparently they're supposed to be in the house. $1,000. I think, didn't that guy have like a $2,450 bounty? That's really good. I might collect that. I don't know if I could have a key, maybe? I feel like no one's escaping jail. Okay. So we're gonna go do that. So I'm gonna go. That's pretty cool. Actually, I can do a lot of jumps with this. Lambo. Oh no, there's a cop. Wow, I just packed up a freaking cop. So we don't have a catch up. What's in the dune buggy? I actually have a dune buggy. So the dune buggies are so lit. They're literally so lit. Every day, bro. So we're gonna go in a garage. Kind of a different texture. Let's see, I think I have a few. I have frost. No. And I do want to change this yellow. I want to change it a little. I'm gonna choose that up. Two-sided. This is nice, I guess. Not bad. Wireframe. That's a little expensive. Swirl. I don't know. This wasn't really good. Frost. Oh, I think that's good. Body color. How about it's chrome? That's cool. Or green, no. Gold. That's nice. How about what we do? Money. Oh, that's expensive. Turbine. What do we do this one? Arachnid. Glow. None. Bench brakes. I'm gonna go with 3 brakes. That's good. Suspension high. I already got that. Do that? Yeah. So body color. I think we're all good. Sorry, no, it's really good. Is this kind of glitching? No, like, this is like a really good one. I just have to spam V, but you can like climb this. Also climb it. Like, look at that jump. That is awesome. So, we can do some more stuff. See? This is so awesome. This is like, oh my god, this is so cool. Whoa! No. So, I don't know. We should run the drill right now. Oh! Whoa! So, he's humming. The car's humming. I don't know if I can get a key. Like, it's really hard to steal this. Like, if we get arrested, I'm like... If I get arrested, I'm reaching. I don't know if I can pick up a key from a nice car. So this apparently is not open. Jewelry. I kind of want to get a Lambo. It is quite stupid. Like, look how glitchy the dune buggy is. Oh, the guy was about to arrest me? No way. No way, Jose. I think he will arrest me. Except I know a really good trick with this. I don't think yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna rob much today. But this is more of like a tricks with the cars. Ooh. So I got really good brakes. Like if I'm going really fast, I can brake. I can use the brakes. Just passed up a cop. So this is a lot easier to steer. It might be not the easiest still. But, it's good. Ow. Ow. So that's cool. Ow. So we're going, I really did wish we could get a key card. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, we're just going. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go through the water! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was amazing. That was literally so lit. Okay, I might get pulled over. Like, if I do this... Oh, we almost made it! Like, I think only the Bugatti can do it. But let me ask for a key. Can I get a key? Can I get a key? Can I get a key? I don't know if I can get a key. But, I don't know, then I'll pee on my cops. If I can't get a key, I'll pee on them. I got this freaking guy gonna chase me down. Oh, he's gonna freaking chase me down. I'm dead. Well, hard terrain. Okay, whizzed past him. Okay, let's see if we can get, like, go. Yes! He lost him. Whoop! I think if I just die, that'll be okay. But this guy's dead. I'm dead. So, I don't think I'm gonna kill him. Because they're on our team. So, if the police enter... Oh my gosh. I quit. Ah! I think police are coming. Yeah, it's like Robux. No, police. Police. Oh. Guess the police haven't entered. Oh wow, look at all these dudes. Look at all these people. What is up? What is up, fam? What is up, fam? Oh, frick. Oh, let's see what this guy does. Ow. Yeah, so I just... Well, I had nothing, really. I didn't get that much money, but... Like, I don't... What? You can actually do that? Bruh. Oh my god. This guy. I don't know that guy. He's a shit. Wow. That is dumb. I got a good bounty, I mean, really. Oh. So where we're going, there's still people in there. To my knowledge, there's someone in there. Oh! Ow. I don't know. I really can't get in there. So I think they only got here. Literally. So yeah, I actually didn't get enough money. I mean, like, hey. Someone come to think, yeah. It really sucks that I don't have a key card. Because I could possibly rob the jewelry. Unless if that's a, like a freaking cop. If it is. Well, actually, we're gonna end the video off here. Bye.